created an AI automation system to create over 300 videos in just 10 minutes. I have always heard stories of people becoming successful through YouTube automation by hiring people from Fiverr or Upwork. But as a broke 17-year-old, I couldn't do that. So when videos of AI automation started popping up in my YouTube homepage, I jumped on that. I watched in awe as AI generated videos flowed in like a river. I was overwhelmed by the sheer number of videos, but quantity doesn't always equal quality. I created a channel 30 days ago with the purpose of creating educational content and making money as quickly as possible. So with that, I came to the conclusion of making a finance channel. But over the past 30 days, I got at most 300 views and 100 new followers. In comparison, I made another channel and got 100 followers within a week. And I know I'm not the only one that failed. I've seen countless other channels doing the same thing with similar results. While the idea of using AI to create content sounds appealing, it will not meet your expectation. This experiment has taught me a few things about AI automation. Even though the numbers seem promising, the reality is far more complicated. AI generated videos very quickly, but it didn't have the element that keeps the viewer's attention. My finance channel struggled to establish a genuine connection with my audience. I could sense a lack of authenticity coming from my videos. It was as if AI had learned the rules of making content, but missed the heart and soul of making a video a masterpiece. We all know the heart of any successful channel is the connection we have with our audience, you guys. AI failed with that, and we also cannot forget the importance of patience and dedication when creating content. AI could provide a quick result, but a channel's success isn't defined by how many videos they can make, it's defined by the impact it can have on your community. Video creation isn't just about views and money. Focusing on your passion improves the overall creative experience. Don't forget that every video you create is an opportunity to share your unique perspective. Create content and enjoy the process. AI can't help you with storytelling and audience retention. It's a constant process to improve your content. The more you invest in honing your skills, the better equipped you will be to create content that resonates with your viewers. Focus on your passion, screw the numbers. Just screw them, they don't matter.